Hello everyone, I'm Shaburi from hookedinloops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos, then please click the bell icon. Today I'm back with a crochet stitch tutorial, and I will show you how to do the interlocking shell stitch pattern. Isn't the pattern beautiful? So let's begin. I have taken a 4-ply acrylic yarn and a crochet hook of size 3 mm. So at first I made a slip knot and then inserted the hook in it. And now we will begin our foundation chain. So the rule is you need to do a foundation chains that should be a multiple of 6 plus 4 chains. Okay, so I did a total of 34 chains. That is 30 plus 4. Okay, so quickly do your chains. So we have done a total of 30 chains. Now we will be doing plus 4 chains. Okay, so this is chain 1, so this makes 31 chains, and then plus 3. This plus 3 chain is actually the first double crochet stitch of the first round. Okay, so we will now begin the first round. After doing a total of 34 chains, just yarn over and then insert your hook in the 4th chain from the hook and do a double crochet there. And then in the same chain we will do one more double crochet. So technically this particular chain contains 3 double crochet, that is these 2 double crochets and the starting chain 3. Okay, now this is the first half shell that we did. We will skip the following 2 chains, and in the following chain we will do one single crochet stitch. Okay, yarn over and then skip the next 2 chains, and then in the following chain we will be doing 5 double crochet stitches. This 5 double crochet stitches is actually the full shell stitch. Okay, after that we will skip the following 2 chains, and then in the next chain we will do one single crochet stitch. So this is the pattern. Okay, that is, we will yarn over, skip the next 2 chains, and in the following chain we will be doing 5 double crochet stitch. And then we will skip the next 2 chains, and in the following chain we will do one single crochet stitch. So there are alternating single crochet stitches and alternating 5 double crochet stitches with 2 chain gaps between them. We will repeat this pattern throughout this round till we are left with the last 3 chains. So we have nearly completed our first round and we are left with the last 3 chains. So we will skip the following 2 chains, and in the last chain we will do 3 double crochet stitches. We began this round with 3 double crochets and we are ending this round with 3 double crochets. Okay, if we end with 5 double crochets, then the edges will be wavy instead of being straight. We are doing the last double crochet. If you want to continue the next round with the same color, then complete this double crochet. But if you want to change the colors, then we will keep the last double crochet incomplete as I am showing you now. In this manner we have 2 loops in the hook, and we will not complete our double crochet but keep it as it is. We will take another yarn and make a slip knot with it, and then we will insert the hook in this slip knot and draw this slip knot through the already present 2 loops in the hook like this, and just do a chain 1. Okay, so the color has been changed. Now we will do one thing. Just cut the yellow colored yarn and tie a knot with the loose end of the blue colored yarn. Okay, and now we will proceed with the second round. So turn your work, and in the first stitch just do one single crochet stitch there. Okay, and then after that do a chain 2. Then in the next 5 stitches we will be doing 5 double crochet together stitch, or double crochet 5 together. We have got 6 loops in the hook, so we will yarn over and draw all the yarn through all the loops, followed by a chain 2, and then in the next stitch we will do one single crochet stitch. After this we will repeat the pattern, that is, we will do chain 2, and then in the next 5 stitches we will be doing double crochet 5 together stitch, or 5 double crochet together, whatever you call it. Okay, after that we will draw the yarn through all the 6 loops present in the hook, and then do a chain 2, and in the next stitch we will do one single crochet stitch, followed by chain 2, and we will repeat this pattern. See how beautiful the pattern is looking. After the single crochet stitch we will do a chain 2, and then we will repeat the pattern, that is, in the next 5 stitches we will be doing 5 double crochet together stitch, we will draw the yarn through all the loops present in the hook, and then do a chain 2. Okay, and then in the next stitch do a single crochet stitch, and we will repeat this pattern throughout this round. Okay, so quickly complete this round. We have nearly come to the end of this round. After the last chain 2, okay, we will simply do one single crochet stitch in the last stitch, that is the third chain of the starting chain 3 of the previous round. But in order to change colors we will leave the single crochet stitch incomplete, or if you want to continue with the same color then just complete the single crochet stitch and proceed to the next round. But since we want to change a color, so insert your hook in the third chain of the starting chain 3 and draw the yarn through it, and now we have got 2 loops in the hook. And we will now take another yarn. We will take the yellow colored yarn and make a slip knot at first, and then we will insert the hook into this slip knot and draw this slip knot through the already present 2 loops in the hook, and then we will do a chain 3. This is the first double crochet stitch of the next round. But before turning your work, we will do one thing. just cut the blue colored yarn and tie a knot with the loose end of the yellow colored yarn. Okay, like this, and then just turn your work and proceed to the third round. So in the first stitch we will do 2 double crochets. So in total we did 3 double crochets, taking the first chain 3 as a double crochet of this round. Okay, so 3 double crochets done. Then we will skip the chain 2 space, and then in the following stitch, that is the 5 double crochet together stitch, we will do 1 single crochet there. We will skip the next chain 2 space, and then in the following single crochet stitch we will be doing 5 double crochets. Okay, we are just repeating the first round. And after your 5 double crochets are done, we will skip the next chain 2 space, and then in the following stitch we will do 1 single crochet stitch. So we are doing 1 single crochet in the 5 double crochet together stitch. Okay, and after that we will skip the next chain 2 space. If we turn our work, it looks like this. Okay, so let's proceed. We will skip the next chain 2 space, and then in the following single crochet stitch we will be doing 5 double crochets. Okay, after that we will skip the next chain 2 space, and in the following 5 double crochet together stitch we will do 1 single crochet. So this is the pattern. Just repeat it till the end of this round. Okay, so let's just complete this round, and at the end, in the last stitch, that is in the last single crochet stitch, we will do 3 double crochet stitches instead of 5 double crochets. As I mentioned that if you do 5 double crochets, then the edges will be wavy instead of straight. So we are doing 3 double crochets at the end stitch, and we will leave it incomplete since we will do a color change as earlier. So we will take the blue colored yarn and make a slip knot quickly, and then insert the hook in this slip knot and draw the slip knot through the already present 2 loops in the hook and do a chain 1, and then just cut the yellow colored yarn and tie a knot with the loose end of the blue colored yarn, and then proceed to the 4th round. We will just repeat the second round. Okay, so in the first stitch we will do 1 single crochet stitch, and then we will do a chain 2, and in the next 5 stitches we will do 5 double crochet together stitches. Yarn over and draw the yarn through all the loops, followed by chain 2, and then in the following stitch we will do 1 single crochet stitch, and then again chain 2. So this is the pattern. We will just repeat the pattern. Okay, so in the next 5 stitches we will be doing double crochet 5 together or 5 double crochet together stitch. We will quickly do it. I hope you understood the pattern of interlocking shell stitch by now. Let's complete this row. Draw the yarn through all the loops present in the hook and just do a chain 2. And then in the following stitch we will do 1 single crochet stitch followed by chain 2. So repeat this pattern throughout this round, okay, and complete this row. We are left with the last set of 5 double crochet together stitch, so we will quickly do that. We have 6 loops in the hook, so draw the yarn through all the 6 loops followed by chain 2, and then in the last stitch, that is third chain of the starting chain 3 of the previous round, do 1 single crochet there. Now if you want to end your row here, then just do a complete single crochet followed by chain 1 and cut the yarn, or if you want to change your color, then do as I did earlier and proceed with your project. Okay, I hope you understood the interlocking shell stitch pattern and it was easy for you to follow. So my tutorial ends here. The only key factor about this pattern is you need to make a foundation chain, or that is multiple of 6 plus 4. So do it. Hit the like button if you liked this video. Comment in the comment section for any queries. I will answer all your queries. I have a website at www.hookedinloops.com, so check it out. You will get my crochet patterns there, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.